ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇರ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ 3ನೇ ಪಾಠವಾದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ 1ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Some fibers which are not natural man-made fibers are called synthetic because they are made by chemical processing of petrochemicals. The synthetic fibers are made up of very large unit called polymers. Some of the synthetic fibers are rayon, nylon and acrylic. So this is the answer for first question. So the second question ನೋಡೋಣ. Make the past to correct answer. Okay, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ rayon is different from synthetic fibers because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದಾವೆ. It has a silk like appearance. It has obtained from wood pulp. Its fibers also be woven like those natural fibers. So answer ಏನಂದ್ರೆ B. It is obtained from wood pulp. So this is the correct answer. Okay, next question ನೋಡೋಣ. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Synthetic fibers are also called dash or fibers. Synthetic fibers are also called man-made or artificial fibers. Okay, next question. Synthetic fibers are synthesized from raw material called petrochemicals. Okay, this is the answer, petrochemical. Third one, C. Like synthetic fibers, plastic is also a polymer. This is the third answer. Okay, next question. Question number 4. Give examples which indicate that nylon fibers are very strong. Okay. This question answer ಏನಂದ್ರೆ nylon is a very strong fiber. That is why nylon is used for making parachutes, rock climbing ropes, fishing nets, seat belts, etc. A nylon thread is elastic and light, but actually is stronger than a steel wire. This is the answer. Question number 5. Explain why plastic containers are favored for storing food. Plastic containers ನಾವು favored food ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plastic containers are lightweight, so they are easy to handle. The price of the plastic containers is very less as compared to the other containers. They have good strength. Plastic containers are durable ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು ಬಹಳ ತಾಳಿಕೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. Okay, next question number 6. Explain the difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastic ಬೇರೆ, thermosetting plastic ಬೇರೆ. Okay, ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ plastic which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastic. So ಹೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಥರ್ಮೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ವಿಚ್ when mold once cannot be softened by heating, these are called thermosetting plastics. ಅಂದ್ರೆ thermosetting plastics ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not easily mold, cannot be softened, heat ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. these are called thermosetting plastics. Polythene and PVC are some of the examples of thermoplastics. Okay, thermoplastic example ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಲಿಥೀನ್ ಮತ್ತು PVC ಇವೆರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. 2 examples are bakelite and melamine. thermosetting plastic example bakelite ಮತ್ತು melamine. Okay, thermoplastic ಅಂದ್ರೆ these are used for manufacturing toys, combs and various types of containers. Okay, toys, ಆಟಿಕೆ, comb ಮತ್ತು various types of containers ನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Thermosetting plastic na bakelite is used for making electrical switches, handles of various utensils, etc. Melamine is used for making floor, tiles, kitchenware and fabrics which resist fire. ಇದು ಫೈರ್ ಕೊನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7. Explain why the following are made up of thermosetting plastics. Sisyphean handles, electric plugs, switches, plug, pores. Melamine, a thermosetting plastic, resist fire. ಇದು ಫೈರ್ ನ ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ and can tolerate heat better than other plastics. heat ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. So it is used for making Sisyphean handles which resist fire. The second one, bakelite is a thermosetting, is poor conductor of heat and electricity, so it is used for making electric plugs switches, plug boards, etc. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಂಡದಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾರಣ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ಲಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಚಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8. Categorize the materials of the following products into can be recycled and cannot be recycled. Telephone instrument, plastic toys, cooker handles, candy bags, ballpoint pens, plastic balls, plastic covering on electrical wires, plastic chairs and electrical switches. Answer number 8. Plastic toys, candy bags, ballpoint pens, plastic balls, plastic covering on electrical wires and plastic chairs can be recycled as these are the thermoplastic. Okay, these are thermoplastic. Telephone instrument, cooker handles and electrical switches cannot be recycled. So these are the thermosetting plastics. Now divide ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So next question, question number 9. Rana wants to buy shirts for summer. Should he buy cotton shirts or shirts made from synthetic materials? Advise Rana, giving your reason. So synthetic fibers na summer ge ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So advise Rana ಏನು advise ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Rana is advised to buy cotton shirt for summer because cotton absorbs the sweat and the pores in cotton allows easy operation and kept our body cool. Whereas synthetic shirt does not absorb sweat, so they are uncomfortable to wear in summer. Okay, summer ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಕಾರಣ ಇದು ಸೂಕ್ತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ because the cotton shirt na, so is the pores in cotton allows easy operation and keeps our body cool. So cotton shirt na now choose ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Next question ನೋಡ್ತಾನ. Question number 10. Give examples to show that plastic are non-corrosive in nature. Okay, examples ಏನಂದ್ರೆ plastics are non-corrosive ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ we can store various kinds of chemicals and other materials in plastic containers because they are non-reactive and does not react with water and air. Okay, answer another. Teflon, a kind of plastic, is used as a coating to manufacture a non-stick cookware. Bakelite is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, so it is used for making electric switches and handles of the utensils. Melamine is used for making floor tiles and kitchenware. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 11. Should the handle and bristles of a toothbrush be made of the same material? Explain your answer. Answer number 11. The bristles of a toothbrush should be made of soft material so that it does not harm the gums, and the handle should be made of hard material so that it can give a firm grip. Therefore, the bristles are made up of nylon fibers. Bristles are made up of which are strong, elastic, lustrous, lightweight and easy to handle, and the handle is made up of hard plastic as it is strong, durable, poor conductor of heat and electricity. Question number 11. Question number 12 ನೋಡೋಣ. Avoid plastic as far as possible. Comment on this advice. Nowadays, plastic become a very important in our daily life. Even though we should avoid them as far as possible for the following reasons. Plastic ಅನ್ನು avoid ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ reasons ಯಾವುವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ plastic are non-biodegradable and take a lot of time to decompose. So easily decompose ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Plastic are not eco-friendly. Eco-friendly ಅಲ್ಲ. By burning plastic, poisonous fumes are released that cause air pollution. Sometimes cow and other animals may eat plastics present in the garbage, which may choke their respiratory system and even cause death. The plastic left in the soil result in the soil pollution. Plastic bags drained into the water bodies cause threat to the aquatic life also. Polybags choke the drains and sewage pipes, thus causing lot of trouble. Okay, so question number 13 now ನೋಡೋಣ. Match the following column number 1 connect with the column number 2. Okay, column number 1 ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ polyester. Polyester is a D. Fabrics do not wrinkle easily. Teflon. Teflon ಏನಂದ್ರೆ used to make non-stick cookwares. Teflon is used for non-stick cookwares. Okay, rayon. Rayon is used for prepared by using wood pulp. It is prepared by wood pulp. Okay, nylon. Nylon ಏನಂದ್ರೆ it is the last after it's B. Used for making parachutes and stockings. Okay, next question. Question number 14 manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forest. Comment. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. These fibers are made from petrochemicals. For manufacturing synthetic fibers, cutting or tree killing animals is not required. So we can conserve our natural environment using synthetic fibers. Hence, manufacturing synthetic fibers is actually helping conservation of forest. So conservation of forest ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಲ್ಲುವುದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ನ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Question number 15. Describe an activity to show that thermoplastic is a poor conductor of electricity. Okay, it's ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Okay. Take a small piece of thermoplastic material and connect between the circuit as shown in the figure. When we connect conductor in the circuit, current passes through it and bulb glows. But if cannot thermoplastic in the circuit, no current passes in the bulb, does not glow. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿಯಿಂದ ಬಲ್ಬ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ್ಮೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಥರ್ಮೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ 3ನೇ ಪಾಠವಾದ ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬಾಯ್.